Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's making waves in the wig industry. The LUVME HAIR All Day Comfort Loose Body Wave 5x5 Lace Front Wig. Whether you're a wig pro or a first-time user, this one promises to deliver a stylish, glueless solution to your hair needs. And we're going to see if it really lives up to the hype. Let's break it down. First things first, let's talk about what you're getting here. The LUVME HAIR wig features a gorgeous body wave pattern made from premium virgin human hair. The texture is designed to give you that effortless, flowing, and natural wave that you'd normally see in high-end salon styles. If you're after a natural, voluminous look, this wig's got your back. The 5x5 lace front comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and even has pre-bleached knots, making it perfect for anyone who's not into spending hours getting a wig ready. Now, how does it feel? When you slip this on, there's a noticeable difference in how light and comfortable it feels. The glueless design is a huge bonus. It fits securely on your head without any of the mess or hassle of traditional adhesives. You can throw it on in just a few seconds and go about your day. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're heading to work, a casual outing, or even a dinner date, this wig blends seamlessly into your look. The body wave texture also gives it that touch of elegance, which means it can take you from day to night with minimal effort. In terms of real-world use, I found this wig to be pretty easy to style. Since it's virgin human hair, you can curl, straighten, or even color it, just like your own hair. That's a huge advantage if you like to change things up depending on the occasion. The hair feels soft and the waves maintain their shape well, even after a day of wear. There's no irritating itch or discomfort around the edges either, which I really appreciate, especially with lace wigs. So what's great about it? The major pros here are comfort and convenience. The pre-plucked hairline and the HD lace make it look super natural. You're not going to see any harsh lines or obvious seams, which is key for a lace front wig. And because it's glueless, it's perfect for those who want a wig that stays in place without needing all that extra adhesive or glue. The premium virgin hair also speaks for itself: soft, durable, and long-lasting. But no product is without its downsides. The only thing I'd mention here is that while the glueless design is super convenient, it might not be as secure for extremely active wearers or people who need something that can stand up to heavy-duty conditions like super humid weather or lots of movement. Also, the body wave might need a little refreshing after a few days, especially if you tend to sleep on it without a wig cap. Now let's talk about the price. This wig sits in a mid to high price range, which is typical for virgin human hair wigs. Given that it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, and comes with high-quality hair, the price feels justified for those who are looking for a reliable, everyday wig that looks natural and requires minimal effort. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are some synthetic or lower-priced human hair alternatives that might suit your needs. But in terms of quality, this wig definitely delivers. And for anyone serious about investing in a wig that lasts, it's a good value. In comparison to other wigs in a similar price range, this one holds up really well. Many other wigs in this category may not offer the same level of convenience with their glueless design or pre-bleached knots. The added benefit of being able to style this wig like your own hair is also a huge plus over synthetic wigs, which don't hold up to heat styling in the same way. When it comes to the build quality, the 5x5 lace closure is lightweight and breathable, which is a big win for long-term comfort. I wore this wig throughout a busy day and didn't feel any discomfort, and there was no excessive shedding, which can sometimes happen with lower quality wigs. With proper care, I can see this wig lasting for quite a while. As for customer support, LUVME HAIR has built a strong reputation with a large, satisfied customer base. They're responsive to inquiries and actively listen to feedback, making constant improvements to their products. If you have any issues, you're likely to get the support you need quickly. In conclusion, the LUVME HAIR All Day Comfort Loose Body Wave Wig is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a natural, high-quality, glueless wig. The premium virgin hair, combined with the easy styling and comfort, makes it a standout option in its category. It's perfect for everyday wear, especially if you want a wig that you can throw on and go without a second thought. If you're looking for a solid, reliable wig that doesn't require a lot of prep or maintenance, this one might be for you. The only downside is the price, but given the quality, I think it's worth it. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.